This video is going to be about removing the transport from my Tascam 488 Mark II. If you're not sure how to open the case, please refer to my earlier videos. There's 3 screws like this, wide ferrule type, and those 3 screws went through the 3 holes marked with red tape into plastic mounting post below. You can also see there's a hole where I've written E in a Sharpie pen there. Narrow ferrule screw going through this earth connection to the transformer board. I've mainly disconnected the magnetic heads. Say you're going to just, change the belt, or you needed to change gear C in here. You could probably put down foam there and just lay that on top without disconnecting any of this. You're then running a slim risk that maybe you're going to put too much pressure in there and damaging something there. So I'm going to show you how to remove it all together. First, you'll find that these cables go through a cable tidy built into this board here, and then they'll be running under a cable tidy here. You can see that we've got 4 groups of 3 coloured plastic sockets. They match the colour of the plugs that go into them. Additionally, you'll see some kind of coloured marker base of these. So this red one splits into blue and red wires. This yellow one splits into yellow and grey wires. And these colours are noted on the board. A raised head shares one plug, but they've got separate plugs for the record playback signal. These wires are very thin and delicate. I think if you just pulled on the cables, there'd be a risk of snapping them. So I would definitely recommend getting some needle nose pliers and grabbing the sides of the plugs and loosening them that way. So I've left these 3 black plugs in, and I'll just quickly demonstrate. And then finally 5 cables that are running from underneath the various motors and going to 5 different sockets here. The colour of the plastic, the length of the wire, and the number of pins between those things, you can usually ascertain what goes where. And you can see there I'm able to pull that one out by the strength of the wires. And you could use pliers if you wanted to be really careful. Now we can see that there's this 3-pin one, so there's only one 3-pin socket. That's the length of the cable tells you that that goes there. And these 3 are about the same length, but one's very long and white, and the other 2 are shorter and different colours. One's white, one's red. And at that point, your cassette transport separate.